Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to select seats in Sky Express. So we have uh, three methods. So yeah, let's go with the first one. So what you are going to do is you need to get first to your Sky Express official website and search for flight. So what we are going to do is you can search right here in this right side of the screen. Otherwise, more nice way to do that is if we go here to the top left, book, and then select flight. All right, now this is the website where we will do this boarding pass, get the ticket. Now what we are going to do is first you need to select from where to where you want to fly. Dates, you need to select dates, and then uh, also how many adults or children do you have, and like that. And yeah, now we don't have any flight in this time, so not okay. So I will change here. Let's say this one, if it finds something. Okay, nothing. So okay, something like that. For example, now you will select here outbound flight. So let's say this one, and like so. So for that reason is not uh, so important what we choose here. Basically for you it is, but you can check this in other video. Now we just need to get through all of this. So right here, what you're going to do is put in your informations and then hit next, and after that you can select your seats. Obviously also read these packages right here, because one here, the highest one, so Sky Enjoy, you will see seat pre-selection free standard seat. If you select SkyJoy Plus, you need to know that you will get a fee to select a seat. So yeah, take this into account when you selecting your tickets. Okay, so the next method is basically that you already booked. So what you're going to do is just simply, if you get to this official website right here, select my booking. Now what you are going to do is put in PNR, so booking reference code, and your last name, and you will see right here your bookings, and look for the seats or extra service option and choose your seats and pay any applicable fees with a card. And yeah, this is basically it. Now the third method is you can do it during the check-in. So this is 48 to 3 hours before flight. Again, you will see here at the top check-in. You will enter again your booking code and the last name to log in, and you will just follow the steps until you see the seat map screen and select from the remaining available seats. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.